Now that you've created your YouTube channel and uploaded a banner and profile picture, the next step is to set up your channel and regional settings so YouTube and the algorithm better understand who you are and what you plan to upload. Start by going to your channel and clicking Customize Channel. At this stage, you may want to consider choosing a more permanent channel name and handle, but if you're happy with them, you can leave them as they are. Next, scroll down to the description section. This tells everyone who you are and what your channel is about. For now, you can keep it simple. For example, "Welcome to my channel. I post gaming commentary videos and plan to upload daily." Below that is the Links section, where you can add your social media accounts such as Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, or your website. This is especially useful if you're promoting a business. Next is Contact Info. You can add an email address so companies can reach out for sponsorships or viewers can contact you. Just be aware you may also receive spam or scam emails. Once finished, click Publish in the top right corner. Now click Settings in the bottom left corner. Under the General tab, select the country you live in so your earnings display in your local currency. Under the Channel tab, confirm the country you live in and add keywords that describe your content, such as gaming, gameplay, commentary, reviews. This helps YouTube understand who to recommend your videos to. Next, open the Upload Defaults tab. Leave the title blank since it changes for every video, but you can add a generic description that will automatically appear on all uploads. Scroll down to Tags and add keywords that describe the type of videos you regularly post. For example, gaming, gameplay, reviews. Once done, click Save bottom right. And that's it, you're done. Your channel is now fully set up. All that's left is to start creating and uploading videos. Good luck, and welcome to YouTube.